Hi, I'm David Banuelos. This is my stuff and my brother's stuff. Cowboys. Cowboy stuff.
Hello.
That's my brother.
Hi.
What's your name?
Rolando.
Alright, here we go.
See me in kind
Here we
of
go.
all the videos.
That's the rope. That's the small rope. Alright. I kind of rope better with that one. This is my cowboy hat. Alright, now let's go to my boots. Alright, now let's go do something on my brother. Okay, so
This is my hat.
he used it for bull riding. Didn't go so well.
These are my boots.
That's very soft.
These are meant for boarding. This is my PBR hat.
He got it signed all over, but you could barely see. That's my other rope. Bye.
Well, I'm gonna be using it mostly all the videos.
That's my cowboy belt. Well, my Mexican cowboy belt. That's my bull riding vest.
We share it.
Well, it's very much not. Alright, that's my stuff.